Hello, this is Debbie, Chelsea's mom, and I thought I would do a haul video of all the stuff I got from the PBC sale. I'm gonna start with Moody Cat Design Co., as you can see there. So I thought this was cute because it's obviously a couple of kitties in the office making their stickers, designing, having cutting issues, having printing issues, and just giving up and throwing it all on the burn pit. I love it. That's me every day. Me and my husband. Anyway, look how cute. I love it. And we got these stickers. I think this was a set, the Starry Nights. I mean, just look at these. Aren't they adorable? I love it so much. The black cat looks like my cat Zuko, and the white one looks like my cat Momo. Okay, moving on. We have bookish cats. Try saying that 3 times. I'm not much of a book reader, but I just thought this artwork was so cute, so I had to get it. That is just so adorable. Very cool. Love it. Had to get the little matching deco. And then this is fun. So cute. Okay, and then there's a bunch of die cuts. We got 3 of them. So that's Momo, Zuko, and Buster Bob on the bottom. My 3 boys. I have 3 boy kitties and 2 girl kitties. And there's a smaller version. They look like they're up to no good. I just love it. It's so cute. Even the charms. I mean, as Chelsea would say, it's all in the details. Love it. How cute is that? I don't have a pet frog, but I just thought that was so cute. Now there's these little guys. These little freebies, I think. I don't really pay much attention to like what freebies people offer and all that kind of stuff. It's all I can do just to get on, spend a few minutes doing some shopping, which I did manage to do over the sale weekend. I don't even know what's going on there. It's like they're all chocolate. Yeah, chocolate cats. Look how cute. Momo and Zuko in a cup. And they're in a planner. Okay, next up we have Sweet Ava's paper. This is my good friend Amy Lynn's shop. I love her stuff. She does kitties too. I am a cat lady. I'm sorry about all the shine. I'm just needing good light in here. Okay, so I got these, and I don't know what kind of paper she's using, but I like it. It's very smooth and kind of semi-glossy. Maybe a vinyl of some sort. But look how cute this little frog is, celebrating a birthday. Okay, now we have these cute little stickers. Look how cute this little cat is in the clouds with the rainbow. So my thing. Yes, having a coffee. And then chase your dreams. Look how cute this is. I just had to get these. And she has a hollow one too. I thought it'd be cute maybe on my laptop. And then there were some freebies. There was this cute little notebook, line paper in it. It says fries before guys. And then there were all these little strips of stickers. Maybe they're samples of some sort, little guys. There's some bats and grilling, it looks like. And what's this? A little ghost making coffee. Okay, it took me a minute, because my face is pretty far away from what I'm looking at. And I don't know what that is. A ghost with a bunch of planner supplies. Aren't these cute though? Look, a little ghost cat, which is the steam of the coffee. I don't know, it's very imaginative. It's so cute. I'll be set for Halloween. Witch, please. That's cute. I don't know what's going on there. I can't really tell. I'd have to really stick my face in there to see. But super cute stuff. Love it. And then there was a freebie from No White Space stickers. Looks like foiled like Disney ears and stuff. And then here's another little sampler. And that's it for this one. Okay, and I have another friend named Amy Lynn, and her shop is Adorably Amy Designs, and I ordered a bunch of the foiled clear word stickers. These are good size. I've been wanting some larger stickers, so these are great for that. And I think I ordered all of them in the same type of foil, which is the rainbow, sparkle, or fractal, or something like that. I'd have to look, but can't have enough laundry stickers. I use them all the time. Family time is the best time. And don't forget, I'm always forgetting something. So, yeah. And there are a couple of little freebies, just a variety of things. And then there's this too, to show that she also makes stickers on paper, sticker paper. So very useful things there. So love them, and I will definitely put them to use. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, and my last order from the PBC sale was with Sugar Pop Fizz. And I just really like their style. Bright colors and just sort of a free form. And I thought, well, shoot, I like her journaling kit. I don't know if it's a set. I can't remember. I think it is, because that's one and that's two. Next up, we have some Yay stickers that look like balloons. Aren't those fun? And who doesn't need a hamburger with fries and a drink? Very useful. I'm all about useful stuff. And these sunglasses, I just thought these were so cute because Star wears sunglasses like this. I've seen Luna wear them too. And then these are really neat. These are foldable, so you can see it's a big sticker. And then I got some small locker stickers to go with this. And I think this is the PBC Sale freebie. And here's another freebie for the month, I guess. And then this all order freebie. Yep, I feel like that a lot. And then there's this little card that came with it too. Look, it's kind of 80s or 90s-ish. Love it. Anyway, very pleased. Love all my stuff. I do have one more thing to show you. Now this order is from Type A for Alexa. I actually ordered this before the PBC sale, and I've been saving them to show you. So that's a vinyl, I think it's laminated. It says to do. It's a little bookmark. You can stick it in your planner. And this says notes. And this one says create. If I recall, I think these were like custom. You could put whatever you wanted. So I thought, well, that'd be great because I have to have that. And then this, I love Hello Kitty. I can use it as a pencil board or a bookmark or something. So that's it. That's all I have to show you. This was a lot of fun. I hope you like it, and if you do, I'll do more. Bye.